Whether we like it or not, AI is taking over our society. You can see it everywhere. You see, the top CEOs are betting over AI, and it's important to learn how to work with AI. And prompt engineering is just that. It's the way how we interact with the AI models. It's about how to have a conversation with them. It's about asking the right questions to get the most appropriate responses. Couple of months back, I made a video on a course from Google on prompt engineering. That course explained how to write better prompts so that you can interact really well with tools like ChatGPT or Google Gemini. But today, we are going deeper. We are going to explore how to convert the learnings from the course into real cash. Yes, people are making money with prompt engineering, and this course gives you a solid foundation. The duration of the course is 9 hours, but if you do not have those 9 hours, you can watch this video that I talked about. You'll find it on the I button, and I'll also put the link in the description. I've compressed 9 hours into 7 minutes so you can get the best of prompt engineering and you can start making money from that. See, anyone can ask ChatGPT, generate blog post ideas on sustainability. That's a basic prompt. But prompt engineering teaches you how to write a power prompt, something much more detailed and much more effective. A prompt that gets you relevant, high quality ideas. It's also about going beyond just typing questions. It's about building automation, for example, workflows for automating research or content creation. And this knowledge can be your key to making money online. Because let's face it, the real winners in this AI economy are the ones who engineer outcomes, not the ones who just play with those tools.
Oh, really?
And prompt engineering gives you the blueprint for engineering those outcomes. So now comes the $1,000,000 question. How can you convert the learning from the course and turn it into real cash? Without wasting any moment further, let's get started. Method 1 is selling prompt templates. Let's start by understanding what are prompt templates. Basically, they are pre-built, ready-to-use prompts. Users buy them to get specific outputs like social media posts, blog outlines, or even coding snippets. And why do people buy them? Because they don't have the time, or they don't understand how to write good prompts, or they don't have the will to experiment. So basically, you do the legwork for them. You save them time and you charge money for the time that you save them. Now, let's talk about what kind of templates you can sell. You can sell templates for marketing, for writing emails or resumes, and for productivity tasks. For example, you could build prompts for solopreneurs to create social media content or the ultimate blog post ideas for marketeers. You can also create and sell AI prompts for art AI generators like Midjourney. Midjourney is an AI-powered image generation tool that creates high-quality images from prompts written in natural language. Natural language is the language that you and I speak. Another one is Leonardo.ai, which is free to use. You basically get free daily tokens, and if your requirements are more than that, you can also get a paid version. By the way, I created a video on how to create free images using 5 AI tools. You can go check it out. You'll find the link in the description box, and you'll also find it somewhere on the I button. By the end of that video, you will be able to create high quality and amazing images with the help of free AI image generation tools. Now, coming back to our prompt templates. If you're wondering if anyone would even buy it from you, let me clarify something. People are searching for prompts for images, for characters, for t-shirt designs. Even architecture prompts are a real thing people search for. You can create these prompts using tools like ChatGPT. Even the free version will be sufficient. Or by using the prompt generation feature in tools like Leonardo.ai. Again, go check the video that I talked about. You'll find it really useful if you want to create free images using these AI tools. As far as Leonardo is concerned, just describe the picture or output you want. Once the picture is created, the tool itself suggests the prompts, and you can make further edits to make it more relevant for your needs. You test them, refine them using your prompt engineering skills, and package them. Now, the next question is, where can you sell these prompts? There are dedicated marketplaces like PromptBase and SnackPrompt. You can also use Gumroad and Etsy for selling them as digital products. There's a whole market there. You can even sell AI templates on Notion marketplaces. Check out successful shops in Etsy. They have thousands of sales just selling prompt guides. Even cheap prompts selling for $4 can generate a significant monthly revenue if the volumes are high. So is selling niche prompt library. Once you write great prompts, create reusable ones and identify areas where they can be used again and again. Then package them and sell them online. How do you package them? You can create simple guides or books. To make it more professional, you can use tools like Canva and export it as PDF. Make sure you add instructions on how to use them to make it easy to use for the potential buyers. This takes me to the next income stream, which is becoming a small business prompt coach. This is more of a hands-on approach. Small and mid-sized businesses need help with AI, but often they don't want those complex softwares. They just want somebody to show them how to use AI effectively in their daily work. You can start by charging for a session or two, or you can also offer to build a custom prompt library based on their business needs and your ability to create, repurpose, and package those prompts. You can also offer ongoing monthly support or retainer services by helping them refine and update their prompts as and when their business needs change. You can help them on how to use AI for emails, reports, and presentations. Your value proposition to them is huge. You're giving their business an AI upgrade, helping them save time and work smarter without them having to hire a team of expensive AI consultants. If you're wondering where to find them, I'll make it easy for you. Look for small businesses around you, salons, personal trainers, cake shop owners. The list is endless. As a coach, you can help a business owner figure out how to automate client check-ins using AI, or help a real estate agent write better listing description, or help an accountant build AI-powered FAQs for their clients. This prepares you perfectly to help businesses leverage AI in their day-to-day operations. Next one is becoming an internal automation consultant for small businesses. This method to encash your prompt engineering skills is by building automation systems for small businesses. Systems that could save them hundreds of hours a year. You don't necessarily need Python or complex code for many of these. You need to know how to design the right sequence of prompts, how to make AI perform a series of steps. Now, you might be wondering what kind of automations could that be? You could build a system to automate onboarding emails for new clients using the chaining process, or create an internal AI tool for quick research based on company documents. Or you could set up a workflow to summarize client meetings automatically, or draft initial versions of proposals, contracts, or reports. Prompt chaining lets you link multiple AI steps together, which is incredibly valuable to business. You can charge them a project fee for setting these up and making sure that their automation systems run smoothly. Now, you might be thinking, okay, all of this sounds cool, but how would you convince a client? What will be your message to those clients? Basically, you're helping them build invisible employees that work 24/7 without asking for a sick leave and without asking for a pay rise. Sounds powerful, right? And you can do this without needing complex coding, just by knowing how to ask better questions and writing stacked prompts. Next one is about building AI content engines. Most people think AI is just for writing single blog posts. But with chaining, you can do so much more. You can build systems that automatically generate content calendars, email nurture sequences, LinkedIn post series, YouTube titles. Your core message is that you're building automated systems for businesses that help them grow their brand effortlessly, while they focus on what matters the most to them, which is their business. You can use advanced prompting skills to create these powerful engines. You can tailor these engines for specific micro niches, like help a TikTok coach to automate their script ideas, help a financial planner automate their messages, or help a wellness brand launch content faster. This takes me to the last and fifth method I'm going to talk in this video, which is freelancing, consulting, and training. The first four methods that we talked about in the video are directly tied to prompt engineering, but there's something more to that. The core skills that you learn open doors to so many other opportunities, like freelancing. This one involves simply offering your prompt writing services for various tasks, like copywriting, marketing content, social media posts, email drafts, customer service responses. Your ability to deliver consistent, high-quality outputs makes you valuable to your clients. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, Contra, TopTal are the places to find your clients. You can also offer consultation and training services. as AI becomes more common, businesses need AI experts to guide them. Your experience, backed by structured learning like the Google course, positions you as an expert. You can also create your own online courses or workshops covering topics like prompt design fundamentals, use case specific prompting, or iterative prompting. You can sell these courses on platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, Teachable. So these were the 5 methods that I think can help you generate loads of money. I truly believe the skill of prompt engineering is a gateway to independence. You don't need permission, you don't need perfection, you just need momentum. Start building your prompting skills today. Then pick 1 or 2 monetization paths that excite you. Start by building a small portfolio and then gradually increasing it. Start putting yourself out there. Remember, execution beats theory, leverage beats labor, and clarity beats credentials. So, what do you think? Are you ready to leverage your prompt engineering skills? Let me know in the comments which monetization technique are you going to explore first. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel and share it with anyone who you know wants to leverage the power of AI. Thank you so much for watching. Keep striving. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, take care and bye-bye.